Hello there, YouTube, me, and Facebook. Hello to all of our fans and those who support Armed Forces veterans and their families. This is Stan from Northwoods Vets More again. Well, my last video, I had shown this stump that I had cut off and pulled out. I'm doing some different video work, so instead of Bluetoothing it up, I'm now pulling the chip and uploading. It goes quicker and it seems to be less defects. So anyway, this is going to be hopefully a test trial on this one, so hopefully it does better. What I've done is Dawn actually had what's called a wire rope cable with two eyelets in it. And so what I've done is I've taken some D-rings and hooked them into where there's a D-ring in here, and basically I've created what is called, this is called a choker. And the cable is wrapped around, goes through this D-ring, and basically when it gets pulled from the tractor, it's going to be basically choked, and that's the procedure on how you skid wood or how you pull wood and everything. So this is what I'm going to do is, this is a rolling position, so I'm going to get ready to roll the stump over, so this way here I can get it into a better position so I can cut it up a little bit more quicker, and I don't want to have to deal with these two sides. I want to deal with the bottom side first. So as you notice, I have a chain wrapped around the bucket and come down and lock in here. So my the end of the choker chain is hooked in here by this bit, as you can tell, maybe you can see, is this big hook here. So it'll be hooked into this chain, and I'm going to use the tractor as a skidder to pull, to roll the log over, actually roll the stump over. So that's the videotape that I'll be doing here in just a moment. So I'm going to set up the camera so you can watch it and fire up the tractor, and hopefully it'll be a good video, okay? And it'll be posted a lot quicker than they used to be. Normally, when I did it by Bluetooth, it took me almost half hour, and this time around it'll go a lot quicker, okay? So hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Slightly adjust the camera so you can actually see the log roll better, actually the stump roll. So yeah, we're still looking pretty good, so okay. Okay. Well, there we go. I've got the stump roll over to where I want it at now, and basically right now what I want to do with this stump is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to cut this bigger section out, and then after I have this bigger section all cut out here, this big section here, and then this out, then the other small area I'll just hook on with my choker, probably flip it up, or I'll just turn around and just lift the whole thing up by my own body power flip it over, which will be a lot lighter. And then I'll finish cutting off those two ends. Then we'll load them in the tractor and take them over to the splitter and cut them into better chunks and then split them up. So that's one of the procedures I use, and we use up here for rolling stuff over, is we use a choker, and it's a very handy tool. Very expensive, but they can be made with the other proper like the D-ring and everything. So okay, so if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. So, and thank you guys for supporting our armed forces, our veterans and the families. They really need a lot of help out there. There's a lot of folks out there that need help. So the more help, the more you can help us get us up and going, the more we can get out there. So thank you very much for your service and your support. Bye bye.